Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm back to give you guys another video. Today I will be unboxing the Skullcandy 5050 headphones. This is SG1 Gadgets. Now start the intro. Alright YouTube, let's start the show. Now let me tell you guys a little bit about these headphones. These are the Skullcandy 5050. They retail for $50, but you probably could get them cheaper online. Let me show you what the box looks like. Now on top it says Skullcandy 5050, equipped with Supreme Sound. They're made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. They do have the Mic 3 technology, so make sure you check your phone to see if you are compatible with these headphones. Now on the back gives you a picture of the headphones and some information on them, and another picture on these headphones. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox these headphones right now. Alright YouTube, let's go ahead and open these up. You open them down here, has the open here, and they pretty much just slide out and nothing else comes in the box. So you get this nice tin carrying. You get a nice carrying tin to carry your headphones with some extra earbuds, and you get the headphones. That's what they look like. They look extremely nice. I love the Skullcandy logos, and at first glance the cable seems pretty strong, and it does come with a gold plated plug. And that was my video. Check out all my videos, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.